Hello there. So as a part of the goal to teach you Chinese, we've also teamed up with the best programs to learning Chinese as well out there. And so in this case, we've actually teamed up, and I'm proud to say so, with Hack Chinese. Let's call it Domino Hack or Hack Domino. Now, Hack Chinese is a brilliant platform. It's an advanced vocab learning tool that will supplement your Chinese learning. It uses spaced repetition and it's designed to be easy to set up, no duplications, and there's minimal administration involved as well. So what we suggest here is that you don't change too much. You just keep learning things with a Domino course, but then alongside that, you go to Hack Chinese to practice and to review what you've learned. And I'm sure you'll be seeing results very, very soon. There are already official Domino Chinese vocab lists over at Hack Chinese, so I suggest you just go on over there and start studying. And one really neat feature here is that if you have a teacher, you can include your teacher into your learning plan here, and they can go in and follow you, they can add or remove words, and a lot of other things as well. Another few noteworthy things about Hack Chinese here is that it focuses only on recognition of characters, not on the handwriting. If you're also a fan of skipping handwriting, then this is a very good option for you. Living in this modern world here, you don't really need handwriting anymore. And actually trying to learn the characters to write them is very recommended, but it also is going to take a lot of your time as well. And in that case, Hack Chinese is definitely for you. Thanks to Hack Chinese brilliant system here, many of their students have been able to go from recognizing 0 characters all the way up to almost 10,000 characters in less than a year. And that's pretty much as many characters as Chinese themselves know. All in all, Hack Chinese is a great tool to use. And if you're interested, I suggest that you sign up there and you get started today. Right now, we're offering a discount for our Domino subscribers. Make sure that you get that deal and you won't be disappointed at all. There's also much more information on their platform, so I suggest you hit that little link there and then you head on over to their platform, read some more, and give your Chinese learning some momentum. Thank you for watching this video and thank you for taking your Chinese learning experience seriously. Enjoy and good luck. 祝你们好运。